Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm the president and CEO of Unique Specialty and Classics here in Mankato, Minnesota, and we're here to record another After Hours. It's been a little while, and it's snowy and cold February, but we're here to talk about some fun things that's happened since the beginning of the year. So January was an absolutely, it was a record month for us. In 13 years, this has been the best January, or was the best January that we've had, both in sales and other numbers here at the company. And so in the classic car business, to have January be your record month, when especially up in the upper Midwest here, most folks are polishing their cars in the garage, dreaming about driving them. So to have that be a record sales month in January is fantastic. Kudos to our team. Everybody in the building did a fantastic job. In fact, a lot of us, about half of us, were gone, as a matter of fact, because we, for a second year in a row now, we're an exhibitor at the Barrett-Jackson Auto Auction in Scottsdale. And we go down there primarily to, just basically let people know who we are and what we do and that sort of thing, whether it's sales, consignment, trade-ins, service, and restorations, things like this. And just basically shaking hands, meeting folks that either have cars or want to buy cars while they're there. And, and again, this year, we met a ton of cool people, and also obviously generated some folks that either have cars to buy or sell, or have cars that they want to keep but need work or restoration, things like this. We've got a couple guys, or more than a few clients that are going to be shipping their cars to us to get some work done. Some mediocre work, a couple of major frame-off restorations, things like this. So that part is great. And then from the sales side, when we go out there, we always have one car in our exhibit. This year we brought a 36 Ford Cabriolet, beautiful, beautiful car. And now for the second year in a row, the car that we had in our display has sold while we were at the show. And so that's always kind of an extra added bonus. So while we were there, I bought a couple cars in the auction. We bought a few cars from private parties that were out there that we had either reached out to before we got out there and set appointments up. And so we were able to buy a few cars that way as well. And the reason I bring this up is because of the fact that January was such a record month in sales, we now have a problem here in February. I am scrambling looking for inventory. We still have a lot and plenty to choose from. We're sitting at around a little over 100 vehicles right now, but we usually like to be around 140, 150. So I'm going to include in here, if you or your neighbors or your buddies or family or friends, you guys know of any cars that are for sale or that want to be consigned, or maybe you've had a car for a while, want to get something else to play with, go to our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, and you'll be able to see, maybe, because we do trade-ins. So maybe you've got who knows, maybe you got a 57 Chevy and now you want a muscle car or what have you. Feel free to hit the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. See what's there, and who knows, maybe there's a trade that we can work out, that sort of thing. If you're not too computer savvy or have questions, because there's always cars that are coming in that sometimes don't even make it to the website, feel free to give us a call direct too at 507-386-1726. And then also don't forget to check out our Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. There's a lot of fresh content on there. Dylan, our marketing manager, has been doing an awesome job on keeping that up to date, doing whether it's pop quizzes or polls or things like this. There's always something fun to keep an eye on there as well. So again, my name is Jeremy. I'm the president at Unique Specialty and Classics here, and hey, we'll look forward to chatting with everybody again. Stare right at the camera, right?
No. Talk to me.
Especially in classic cars, I'm the, roger that.